Okay, so hi guys, I hope you all doing fine. Welcome to my channel, the Estate Studio. As you can see, it's a Rajasthani poshak which I have illustrated. So in this video, I'll teach you 3 steps with which you can do the illustration in very easiest manner. Okay. So starting with the 3 steps that are sketching, painting and detailing. So starting with the first step, that is sketching. Sketch out your reference picture. If you're not good at freehand drawing, then you can use uh, tracing sheet. Don't use carbon paper, it will leave a mark over your sheet. So once you complete your sketching part, you can start applying your base color. Yeah, so one thing you have to keep in mind, that while painting you have to start with the lightest tone of the base color. So now how you'll get the lightest tone? Whatever color you taking, use more of water than the color. Okay, doing this thing you'll get the highlighting part on your garment. So I'm applying colors in layers. Like the first layer was the lightest, and as soon as I'm proceeding further, I'm increasing the amount of color and decreasing the amount of water. So layering will help you to give your illustration a realistic look. And see, I'm giving the layers in the, I'm increasing the layers in the folded parts, the fall of the fabric. That's where I'm applying more of colors, like applying my layer. This will give the depth, the shadow, the highlight. So this is the most important and basic trick which will make your illustration look like the garment, the reference picture. तो जैसे जैसे हमारी लेयर बढ़ती जाएगी वैसे वैसे कलर इंक्रीज होता जाएगा अमाउंट, और वैसे ही एरिया कम होता जाएगा जो हम कलर करेंगे. अभी मैंने ये अप्लाई किया कलर, ये जहाँ पर मैं फोल्ड्स में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ ये कलर. ओके, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जब लेयर अप्लाई करूँगी कलर लेके, तो उस डेप्थ के अंदर थोड़ा और डार्कनेस, थोड़ा सा और मेरून या फिर ब्लैक कलर ऐड करके, फिर उसको कलर को थोड़ा और डार्क बना के, फिर उस डेप्थ में एक लाइन अप्लाई करूँगी. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट जो भी अपना फैब्रिक है जहाँ पर फॉल एंड हो रहा है वहाँ पर डार्क कलर नीचे एक लेयर अप्लाई करेंगे. जैसे ऊपर का जो ये कुर्ती है, ऊपर वाला अपर पीस जो है अपना, उस वो जब फॉल हो रहा है अपने लहंगे के ऊपर, तो नीचे थोड़ा शेडो आता है, तो वहाँ पर एक लेयर अप्लाई करेंगे डार्क कलर की. So these are the major important tips that you can use while illustrating, applying color. And now just watch me how I'm increasing the layers and applying color, give it a real look. Also in one side I'm attaching my reference picture so that you can get an idea how I am applying the layers. So yes, and also you can draw with me this video. So I have kept it in slow motion, like in normal speed, so that you can also draw with me, like pause and draw, pause and draw. In this layer I have mixed amount of black, 1-2 drops of black color in the red one, uh, in order to increase the this darkness of the color. So now you can see how I am applying the layers in order to give the real look, in order to give the this thing shadow to the where your hand is falling, where the fabric is falling. So yeah, so this is how you have to play with the color, like with the base, while applying the base color. This is the major and important step to make your illustration look real. So this is where you play all the part, and once you're done with this, you good to go with the detailing part. And that's the simplest thing. You just have to draw using your brush or pen or whatever you cool with. So here I'm done with the coloring part, painting part, just giving the final touch. So here comes the third part, that is detailing. Applying the golden color to give the like that putty look which is in the reference picture. So now I have increased the video speed, but yeah, I'm just doing the detailing part, that is drawing the this thing, embroidery or details, whatever is I'm able to see through the picture in the reference picture. So yes, that is up to you. So now here I'm giving that putty look to my illustration, applying the base color, that is white, and then I'll apply this in gray, then little blackish, and yeah. So you see, I'm using the only trick, that is layering, and that is the only trick which I have used in the second step and in the third step also. So this is the basic and important trick. Now here I am giving the that white shiny details. I'm using this poster color only. You can use the white gel pen or acrylic paint. Yeah. See, now you can see in this thing that I have applied first layer of the this thing, yellow color, and after that I'm doing the details with the white pen over the same this thing, yellow layer. That is to enhance the embroidery, that's it, because the embroidery on the reference picture was of white color, right? Reason behind doing this is that uh, in the reference picture it was giving a golden effect, while the embroidery was with this thing, white thread. This is how I do detailing part of my illustration. It's a very detailed and long video, I know. So all you need is patience and uh, focus on what you aiming for. And here, like as I said, I'm giving the effect of gota patti. I have applied the base color white already, and now I am giving it like grayish tone. Almost done with the detailing part, but yes, some final touches to give it a real look, that is applying the red color. So सबसे लास्ट में जब when you're about to finish your like you have completed your illustration, you just have to apply the same base color over the embroidery you have painted, and that's it. So this is my final look. I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching.